Welcome to Super Simple Sauppe, where we make super simple things for busy families like us or for kids who want to cook at home. Today, I'm going to make a simple chili using a crock pot. The things you'll need are black beans, pinto beans or kidney beans, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium diced onion, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 small can of tomato paste, 2 cans of sweet corn kernels, your spices, which includes cumin, paprika, chili powder, salt, and pepper. The exact measurement of the ingredients will be listed in the description below. So let's start. First, saute your onions and ground beef until the beef is brown. You can do this ahead of time and just keep it in the refrigerator until you are ready to use it for your chili. Now I'm going to assemble all my ingredients in a crock pot. First, let's add the beans. We soak the beans overnight. You can also use canned beans if you like. Then I added the pinto beans. Kidney beans are delicious too, but we didn't have them. Then add your ground beef. Let's put everything in there. Add your corn, including the juice that is in the can. Then add your tomatoes and tomato paste. Then add all your spices. The cumin, pepper, the paprika, and the salt. And don't forget the chili powder. Now let's stir. It looks so colorful. Wow, it looks delicious already. Now let's fill the crock pot with water until it's the same level as the beans. It would be about a cup or 2 cups of water. See, the water is about the same level as the beans. Then you cook it for 8 to 10 hours or until the beans are soft. This is what it looks like after 8 hours. The beans are not quite ready yet, so we will cook it for another 1 to 2 hours. The chili is ready and it is nice and hot and very delicious too. It looks so good. The beans are nice and tender. The flavor is so delicious. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauppe. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!